Okay, hi everyone. About your email OAuth verification request, now I will record a video about this. My application is a Google Form add-on. This is the permission screen. You can check the full URL here. Also, this is the form. My add-on name is yet another choice eliminator, and I request some scopes here. Okay, let's allow it. Open it again. So about the third requirement, script container UI scope is required for opening this add-on sidebar here, and in the future I will need to open a dialog, template dialog around somewhere around here. About script app, my add-on will need to set up a form response trigger, as you can see here. About script.sendmail, after user finish installing my add-on, I will send an email to welcome the user. You can see it here, but because now there's a logic that if I'm not the owner of the form, this error will show up. So, but basically, it will send an email to user to welcome them. And about the last scope, script.external request. After user installing my add-on, I will send a request to Firebase file store to create a user record. You can see it here. I think we are done here. If you have any question or requirement, feel free to send it to me. Okay, goodbye.